Hey, what is going on, guys? Nick here. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to bring a special video today regarding my business template I use to track all my expenses in business and take profit and expenses, taxes, everything. I created a video for financial success a few weeks ago with the Golden Income Manager of how I split my income up, personal income up. And I want to show you guys today my business one I use to track all my business income that helps delegate tax money, expenses, profit, and income. Profit and income is two different things. So I wanted to tell you guys exactly how all this works. Now, I follow the account or the structure called Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. I'm not sure if I'm saying his name or right or wrong. But basically, Mike has a book called Profit First that really goes under how to set this up and the reasons behind it. And I basically just summed it up in an Excel document. Now, he recommends in his book to set up 4 different accounts: income, profit, taxes, expenses, and specifically taxes and profit being at a separate bank. So you have 4 accounts at one bank and then another bank with 2 accounts, profit and taxes, so that way you never touch them at all. And basically, in a sense, is you deposit your money and it's split up. He recommends 35%, 1% for profit, 20% for taxes, and 44% for expenses. Now, this is overall business income. If you charge sales tax, this taxes is not for sales tax. So what you do is, if you charge sales tax, immediately put that in a different account, and then the leftover after the sales tax is where you deposit in here. So again, I'm not a legal professional, so anything I tell you regarding taxes today or any type of financial help like that, I can't, don't hold me accountable for that. But this is all, like I said, I'm replicating what was in the book and showing you guys today how I personally do it. So he recommends 35%, 1%, 20%, 44%, and basically over time, as you average even during the bad months, the expenses, you can lower them, raise the income, raise the profit. And I'm going to explain the difference between income and profit. So the way profit works is you take 1% of all transactions for 3 months, so 1 quarter. And at the end of the quarter, you take 50% of that profit that's stored up in that account, and you take it with you as a bonus, and the other 50% you leave into that account. And at the end of the year, you take more or use it to kind of pay off some stuff. So profit is just a little bonus at the end. So income is your income. So just because you're a business owner, you don't go unpaid. You got to be paid accountable. So it's kind of like your set pay. And taxes is 20% of all taxes, all of income that goes straight into the business account. And this is to cover any of your basically taxes for your workers, for your personal taxes, self-employment taxes, pretty much taxes in general besides sales tax that's directly associated with the income you make, and expenses at 44%. So let me kind of explain. So I do digital marketing work. I work with digital marketing clients, specifically with Facebook ads. I do some ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, all that good stuff. So let's just say today is the 4th, 9/18. I sign on, or actually today's the 5th. Damn. So this is my deposit tab. So I'll come in right here. And I'll just type in, Facebook ads, or is what I sold. And I signed on a client at 1,500. Boom. So there you go. I can come right here, the income. I can take that home, deposit that. That's my money. Profit, $15 went in it because, like I said, it's 1%. Taxes, that's $300. Basically, just saved up for taxes that I will not touch until the end of the 3rd quarter when I file for my quarterly taxes. And expenses. So I come right here to expenses, and let's say, for instance, 9/5/18. Transaction description. Let's say, I gotta get ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month. I need to pay my workers to write some ad copy, or I need to outsource some ad copy. So I'm just gonna put ad copy. $50. Maybe I need to pay one of my workers for their 2 weeks. So, employee pay, and I can like write their name. 300. Boom. And as you can see right here, it's automatically updating in the overall section right here. So that's pretty much what this document does. It allows you to kind of track all this. He recommends opening up the bank accounts. If for some reason you can't do that, my bank is really hard to do that. I can do it, don't get me wrong, and I need to quit being a little bitch and just do it, but at the same time, this is a way to where you can get it action now without having to open up those bank accounts right away. So I really like this tool a lot. And then right here, this date of charge, this amount and account right here. In fact, actually I need to clear this right here. Date of charge, so like let's say on the 5th, you always know that you get a charge with active campaign. I know I spelled that wrong, and that is $49 a month. And obviously, just need to clear that real quick because obviously I know it's in the expenses account because business really all you have is expenses. So this is where I'll list all my expenses. They do not, I repeat, do not auto update. All this is basically writing down the date of charge, the what and the amount on a sticky note and stick it on the side of your computer. That's as useless, that's as useful as it is. All it is just to look at it and see as your reminder. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the basic and sense of it. I really recommend going get Profit First, reading it before you kind of use this, but you can start using it now. This is the basic percentages he puts in the book. Your business may need to be different. Your business may need, you could probably pull in more income. And you might need to raise taxes a little higher and lower your expenses. You need to adjust all that for yourself, but this is the average numbers he uses that can work for just about any business he states in his book. So they work for my business. Hope they work for yours. If not, some stuff's off, then go ahead, read the book, adjust properly. The book is a very quick book you can get through. I read it on Audible. It took me like a day. I think it's like an 8-hour book, six hours, somewhere around that. It's very short, so definitely recommend it out. And I think also they have like sections too, so where you can just kind of skip through to the specifics. So guys, this Excel template will be down in the description if you want to check it out, or if I post this in a monthly mastermind and stuff, and you can download it there too. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.